Everybody is looking for the next superfood. Well, look no further. Let's talk about persimmons. These vibrant orange-hued fruits are not just a treat for the eyes, but a powerhouse of nutrition. Originating from East Asia, persimmons have been cherished for centuries for their sweet, honey-like flavor and numerous health benefits. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just someone who loves delicious fruits, persimmons are bound to become your new favorite. Let's dive deeper into why this fruit deserves a spot in your daily diet. Packed with vitamins A, C, and E, persimmons are your skin's new best friend. These vitamins are essential for maintaining healthy skin, promoting collagen production, and protecting against sun damage. Vitamin A helps in repairing skin tissues, while vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that fights free radicals, reducing signs of aging. Vitamin E, on the other hand, keeps your skin moisturized and glowing. Imagine a fruit that not only tastes great but also works wonders for your skin. That's the magic of persimmons. They help you glow from the inside out. And guess what? The benefits don't stop at your skin. Persimmons are also rich in dietary fiber, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber aids in smooth digestion, prevents constipation, and promotes a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut is often linked to better overall health, including improved mood and energy levels. So by incorporating persimmons into your diet, you're not just treating your taste buds, but also taking a significant step towards better health. They're loaded with fiber, which means better digestion and a happier gut. Feeling stressed? Persimmons have got your back. The natural sugars in persimmons provide a quick energy boost, while their high fiber content ensures that this energy is released slowly, keeping you energized for longer. Moreover, persimmons are rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting your cells from damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall well-being. Persimmons have got your back. Their antioxidants help fight off the nasties and keep you calm. In today's fast-paced world, stress is a common issue that affects our health in numerous ways. Including antioxidant-rich foods like persimmons in your diet can help mitigate the effects of stress, keeping you calm and focused. Additionally, the potassium content in persimmons helps regulate blood pressure, further contributing to a relaxed and stress-free state of mind. So the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, reach for a persimmon and let its natural goodness work its magic. Their antioxidants help fight off the nasties and keep you calm. Plus, they're low in calories but high in flavor. This makes persimmons an excellent choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight. Despite their sweet taste, persimmons are relatively low in calories, making them a guilt-free snack option. They are also rich in water content, which helps keep you hydrated and feeling full for longer. Whether you enjoy them fresh, dried, or in various recipes, persimmons can be a delightful addition to your weight management plan. Plus, they're low in calories but high in flavor, a win-win for your taste buds and your waistline. Craving a snack that's as sweet as candy, but way healthier? Persimmons are the answer. Just slice and enjoy. Their natural sweetness makes them a perfect alternative to sugary snacks and desserts. You can enjoy them on their own, add them to salads, blend them into smoothies, or even bake them into delicious treats. The possibilities are endless. And the best part is that you're indulging in something that's not only tasty but also incredibly nutritious. A win-win for your taste buds and your waistline. Craving a snack that's as sweet as candy but way healthier? Persimmons are the answer. Just slice and enjoy. You can also get creative with persimmons in the kitchen. How about a persimmon salsa to spice up your meals? Or a persimmon smoothie bowl for a refreshing breakfast? The versatility of this fruit is truly remarkable. It pairs well with both sweet and savory dishes, adding a unique flavor and nutritional boost to your meals. So, why not experiment and discover new ways to enjoy this superfruit? Craving a snack that's as sweet as candy but way healthier? Persimmons are the answer. Just slice and enjoy. You can also get creative with persimmons in the kitchen. How about a persimmon salsa to spice up your meals? Or a persimmon smoothie bowl for a refreshing breakfast? The versatility of this fruit is truly remarkable. It pairs well with both sweet and savory dishes, adding a unique flavor and nutritional boost to your meals. So, why not experiment and discover new ways to enjoy this superfruit? And let's not forget about the traditional uses of persimmons in various cultures. In Japan, for instance, dried persimmons, known as hoshigaki, are a popular delicacy enjoyed during the winter months. These dried fruits are not only delicious but also packed with concentrated nutrients, making them a perfect snack for the colder seasons. So, why not add a little persimmon magic to your day? Your body will thank you. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve your skin health, or simply enjoy a tasty and nutritious snack, persimmons have got you covered. They are a versatile fruit that can be enjoyed in countless ways, making it easy to incorporate them into your daily routine. From fresh persimmons to dried ones, from smoothies to salads, the options are endless. So the next time you're at the market, don't forget to pick up some persimmons and experience their amazing benefits for yourself. Your body will thank you. Persimmons, small fruit, big benefits. These little fruits pack a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition and health benefits. They are a testament to the saying that good things come in small packages. With their rich nutrient profile and delicious taste, persimmons are truly a superfruit that deserves a place in your diet. So why wait? Start enjoying the numerous benefits of persimmons today and take a step towards a healthier, happier you. Persimmons small fruit, big benefits. Don't miss out on this delicious powerhouse. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a foodie, or someone looking to improve their overall health, persimmons are a fantastic addition to your diet. They offer a unique combination of taste and nutrition that's hard to beat. So the next time you're looking for a healthy snack or a new ingredient to try, reach for a persimmon and enjoy its delightful flavor and numerous health benefits. Don't miss out on this delicious powerhouse. Persimmons are not just a seasonal treat, but a year-round superfood that can enhance your health and well-being. Their vibrant color, sweet taste, and impressive nutrient profile make them a standout fruit that's worth adding to your diet. So, go ahead and explore the world of persimmons. Whether you enjoy them fresh, dried, or in various recipes, you're sure to fall in love with this amazing fruit. Catch you on the fruity side. Catch you on the fruity side. Remember, the journey to better health and wellness starts with the choices you make every day. By incorporating nutrient-rich foods like persimmons into your diet, you're taking a proactive step towards a healthier lifestyle. So, embrace the goodness of persimmons, and let this superfruit be a part of your daily routine. Your body, mind, and taste buds will thank you for it. Until next time, stay healthy, and enjoy the delicious benefits of persimmons. Persimmons are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. In this chapter, we'll explore the health benefits of this superfruit and how you can incorporate it into your diet. First, let's talk about the vitamins and minerals found in persimmons. These fruits are rich in vitamins A, C, and E, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin, boosting your immune system, and protecting your cells from damage. They also contain significant amounts of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health. But that's not all. Persimmons are also a great source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. This fiber helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Plus, the natural sugars in persimmons provide a quick energy boost, perfect for those midday slumps. Now, let's discuss how you can easily incorporate persimmons into your diet. One of the simplest ways is to enjoy them fresh. Just slice and eat. Their sweet, honey-like flavor makes them a delightful snack on their own. You can also add fresh persimmon slices to your salads for a burst of sweetness and color. For a more creative approach, try blending persimmons into your smoothies. They pair well with other fruits like bananas, berries, and citrus, creating a delicious and nutritious drink. Another option is to bake persimmons into muffins or bread, adding moisture and natural sweetness to your baked goods. Don't forget about dried persimmons. These make a convenient and tasty snack that you can take on the go. They're also perfect for adding to trail mixes or yogurt for an extra boost of flavor and nutrition. So, whether you prefer them fresh, blended, baked, or dried, there are countless ways to enjoy persimmons and reap their numerous health benefits. Start incorporating this superfruit into your daily routine and experience the positive impact it can have on your health and well-being. Catch you on the fruity side. Now that we know how beneficial persimmons are, let's dive into the different varieties of this incredible fruit and how to select the best ones at the market. First up, the Healthyou persimmon. This variety is round and squat, resembling a tomato. It's sweet and crisp and can be eaten while still firm, making it perfect for slicing into salads or enjoying as a crunchy snack. When selecting Healthyou persimmons, look for ones that are bright orange and free of blemishes or soft spots. Next, we have the Healthyou persimmon. This variety is more elongated and acorn-shaped. Healthyou persimmons are best enjoyed when fully ripe and soft, as they have a rich custard-like texture and a sweet honeyed flavor. To choose the best Healthyou persimmons, pick ones that are deep orange and slightly soft to the touch. Now let's talk about some delicious recipes that highlight the unique flavors of persimmons. For a refreshing salad, try combining sliced Healthyou persimmons with arugula, goat cheese, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. The sweetness of the persimmons pairs perfectly with the peppery arugula and tangy goat cheese. If you're in the mood for something warm and comforting, bake a batch of persimmon muffins. Use ripe Healthyou persimmons to add natural sweetness and moisture to your batter. Add a touch of cinnamon and nutmeg for a cozy spiced flavor. For a quick and easy dessert, try making persimmon pudding. Blend ripe Healthyou persimmons with a bit of sugar, eggs, and flour, then bake until set. The result is a rich, creamy pudding that's bursting with the sweet, complex flavors of persimmons. And don't forget about persimmon smoothies. Blend fresh or frozen persimmon chunks with your favorite fruits like bananas, berries, and a splash of orange juice for a nutritious and delicious drink. With so many varieties and recipes to choose from, there's no shortage of ways to enjoy persimmons. So next time you're at the market, pick up a few of these superfruits and start experimenting in the kitchen. Your taste buds, and your body, will thank you. Catch you on the fruity side.